Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be a very fast, quick video. Are you looking to get rid of your stretch mark? Do you just have a baby? Did you just started working out? Did you just lose weight and all of a sudden you started noticing some stretch marks on your skin? Don't worry. One of the safest and quickest and less expensive method of stretch mark removal. Now let's jump down into the things that we need to make this stretch mark paste. The first thing we need is turmeric, ground turmeric. We need about 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric is excellent for anti-inflammatory, and it will also help to balance and even out your skin discoloration and help to treat stretch marks. So I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric here. I'll be showing you 3 different ways. The first way is just to mix the equal part with water just to bring it into the same paste. The next alternative is lemon. We will be using one tablespoon of lemon juice. So I have 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add it together and bring this into a paste. So this is option 1. You can use this the way it is and apply on the areas where you have stretch marks and leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash them off. The second alternative is 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and this here is coconut oil, organic coconut oil. You want to mix this with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and you bring it into a paste consistency. And now you have your turmeric paste for stretch marks. So go ahead and apply this on the area where you have your stretch mark. Again, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Depends on the severity on your stretch mark. You can do this 3 to 4 times and you'll see your stretch mark begin to disappear. It's not hard, it's not difficult, it's not expensive. The only thing is that it stains your outfit, so be careful when and where you are applying this paste. So do them fresh on a regular basis. Do not store anything in the fridge. The fresher the better. I will leave you guys here and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.